So, can you read that? I don't know if you can read it, but it says westbound train, less than a minute, eastbound train, less than a minute. Yeah, you can't read that. I wonder if there's anything I can do so you can read. But anyway, that means that the trains theoretically should be simultaneously showing up. Now, I don't see a train coming down there, and I don't hear a train coming from there. But according to that sign, oh wait a minute, did it just, no? The sign, let's see if the trains arrive simultaneously, because according to that sign, they're supposed to be here in less than a minute. That's what this, of course that was more than a minute ago actually that it said that, but no, I don't see a train coming from down there. And I don't hear a train coming from down there. Now that would be the eastbound train coming from that direction. That would be the westbound train coming from that direction. Well, the sign, this says, well, you can't read that, but it says westbound, it says next westbound at the top, less than a minute, next eastbound, less than a minute. That's what it says. Well, that was, more than a minute ago. I don't see a train coming from down there. And I don't hear a train or see a train coming from that direction. Yeah, I thought I'd pull my camera out and I don't know. So let's say one of the trains shows up and the other doesn't. Is that worth posting? Now, if they both show up simultaneously, then it would be worth posting. But if neither of them shows up, or just one shows up, well, next westbound, less than a minute. Next eastbound, less than a minute. Once again, you can't read that, can you? I mean, I know through my viewfinder, it's all blurry and bouncing around and everything. I wonder if, I don't know, maybe it's just my screen. Maybe it's just my screen. The refresh rate is 60 millihertz or whatever it is, hertz, 60 hertz. Maybe when I play the video, you'll be able to read that. I don't know. But here I'm standing here. Oh no! It doesn't. This is. Still less than, next westbound, less than a minute. Next eastbound, less than a minute. Well, it's been more than a minute. I don't know. Should I pack it up, pack it in, delete this video? Because see, what I think is going to happen is one train will show up, but not the other. It's a nice overcast day. You know, in the summer you want overcast days. Winter, you don't want overcast days. But in the summer, you want overcast days. Well, I wonder what the problem. What is the problem? Okay, so it's 10:46 a.m. Yes, it is. 10:46. All right. What? Can we read this? All right. So this is Saturday, August 6th, 2022. And well, it's 10:47 a.m. That's okay. So we're at Collingswood. Where's my finger? Right here. There's Collingswood. All right. 10:40 a.m. Oh, wait a minute. Westbound. It's, yeah. Wait, I hear a train. I hear a train. Where's my finger? Oh, there it is. Here comes. There she blows. Sure moving slowly, isn't it? Sure moving slowly. Yeah, no train coming from that direction though. I wonder why she's moving so slowly. She is. Train, no train coming from that. Okay, now see, you can't read it. 7 minutes. Oh, now you can read it. 7 minutes, 4 minutes. Well, oh, here we go. What a train shirt. Why is it moving so slow? Wait.
Collingswood.
What do you mean that? We were at Collingswood. We're going. See a big train over on that side. Oh, well, it's 8 minutes of your life you're never going to get back. As so many people have written in the comment section over the years.
Terry Avenue is next. Access to Virtual and Olivia Ward's Hospital.
hospital. A lot of people that live around here were born in that hospital.